Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you do enjoy it here, and if you do choose to stay, please like the video, comment down below, and share your thoughts on whatever video that I put out. I wonder if there's one brother who's gonna make us talk all the time, the whole of the first part of 2026. It's Musa. That guy does not want people to shut up. He does not like us quiet. He doesn't like seeing his name not on the news on a daily. Because tell me why he decides to post Tobile yesterday and wish her happy birthday. Like a very lousy message, yeah, for the birthday, like which is 3 days late at this point. He posted her and people are like, why? Like, why do you even bother? Like, we don't care. We know exactly what you think of her. We know exactly what she thinks of you. You've shown your true colors, so what's the point of doing this? Maybe ngicanga ukuthi inyanga iyaphela so akafuna uMakhumalo a neglect family and not pay the bills that she normally pays for the family, so he decided to swallow his pride, basically his stupid pride, and post her. And another fan said, may to add, Tobile continue to humble you until you realize that at your old age, every dog has its day. May she continue to shine on her own, surrounded by people that love her. She continues to say, the fact that we love her kills you. May it continue to do so until you realize she's 10 times, a million times better than you will ever be. And then she continues to say, GoFlow is teaching you a lesson to be a man using Makhumalo. What? And after that, everybody was just calling him out and being bored by the post, telling him how toxic he is. And on top of that, now just after posting Makhumalo, he went on and posted this video of getting a massage. And people were like, you've already replaced Makhumalo already. Because as we know, this is what Makhumalo has always done for Musa, cutting his hair, touching his head like that. And other people were like, is this number 6? Because I think as much as other people thought it's Snare, other people were like, it's Snare or is it Snare or is it number 6? So what is going on? Have you replaced Makhumalo? Not only have you replaced her on your photos on Instagram, you also have now replaced her in the things that she used to do for you, except for the financial part, because Makhumalo still does the financial taking care of Musa's household, because that's not Makhumalo's household, let's be honest. That is Musa's household. Makhumalo is helping him, but he still treats her like trash. He still treats her like trash and he doesn't care, but he still wants the monetary side of that Makhumalo brings to the table. This is so laughable, honestly. This man is too grown to be doing these stupid things. He should not be acting like this. He's not a child. I don't know when he's going to grow up. I would blame the stroke. I've had stroke before, and I know what it does to you afterwards. But then, besides the stroke, this man was like this before the stroke happened. It's just now, it looks like he's 10 times worse than what he was. And as much as we would like to shift the blame and say it's the stroke, he's not functioning well, it's not. It's his narcissism, it's his controlling nature, it's his wanting attention nature, and all of that. Him saying that he could do the show on his own without his wives tells you everything you need to know about him. I don't know. This man literally infuriates me in how he treats his wives. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And also, who is that? Is that one of his kids that I haven't noticed or something? Who is that? In as much as Babake likes them young, we can see that that is a child, so it can't be any person that would be a potential number 6. But I would like to know who it is. Who is it? One of his children or who? Let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.